In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all social and promotions emails from your Gmail account. Are you tired of seeing your inbox flooded with emails that you don't need? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of quickly getting rid of those unwanted emails in a few simple steps. First, let's open up our browser and head over to www.google.com. From here, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Gmail dashboard where all your emails reside. Take a moment to appreciate the cool features Gmail offers, like the sorted tab system. Now, let's get to the task at hand. Next, you'll want to focus on the tabs labeled Social and Promotions. These are where your social network updates and promotional emails are likely hanging out. Click on the Social tab to reveal those emails. Once you're in that tab, glance up at the top and you'll see a small square icon located just above your emails. Click on this icon, and what it does is select all the emails visible on the current page. But hold tight, your job isn't finished just yet. Look carefully, and you should notice a message that says something like, "Select all conversations in social." Click on this link, and this will expand your selection to include every single email under the Social tab, not just the ones you can see on the screen. With every social email now selected, the next step is to hit the trash can icon above your email list. Clicking this icon deletes all the selected emails. Now, a notification will appear at the top of the page asking if you're sure you'd like to delete the emails. Don't worry, if you're sure, go ahead and confirm this action. Remember, these emails will be moved to the trash, where they'll be auto-deleted after 30 days unless you decide to empty the trash yourself earlier. Now, let's repeat these steps for the Promotions tab. Click on Promotions, and once again, utilize the square icon at the top to select all visible emails. Just like before, make sure to click on Select All Conversations in Promotions to ensure you've got them all picked out. After all are selected, click the trash can icon once more and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared out all your unwanted social and promotional emails from your Gmail account. By cleaning up your inbox, you allow critical emails to take center stage. That means less clutter and more productivity. I hope you found this guide simple and easy to follow. Clearing out your inbox can be a refreshing task, and sometimes all it takes is just a few minutes of focused effort. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.